Good morning, guys. Sorry for the abrupt ending yesterday. Hopefully it doesn't really matter because I got you your season 3 info. But I was waiting for my phone to charge once I got back, and it wasn't charging fast enough and I fell asleep. That's what you get when you, I guess, lie in bed and close your eyes. So. Shh, it's a squirrel. Today's gonna be a busy day for me, mainly just because I have so much stuff to do outside. I'm gonna become a gardener for a good part of the day, and I got a few things to do around the house. But also, apparently, there's something I need to look into with my resume. I'm waking up a little later than I wanted to, so I'm trying to keep track of all this. But yeah. Damn it, PC. You gotta do this right while I'm working. Ugh. I was actually just researching this company I might have an interview for, and trying to get my files onto the PC from yesterday. And that's not working out. I'm really tired. And now to get to work. So Ikea. I'm actually still not sure what I'm building yet, but hopefully we'll find out at some point. And ta-da! Look at that. It's all finished. I didn't even know I was making a cart until I basically had it upright, but it goes right next to the hot tub. So yes, insanity plus hot tub equals some alleviation for me. It's hard to even walk around. I mean, I love it. I feel really good, like cardio-wise, but it kills me. Like, I am dead. Oh, I can barely walk downstairs. And walking upstairs isn't easier. You want this? It's not tuna. It's beans. Look, you don't want is beans. See? No bueno. Ever since I started doing Insanity, this usually happens when I start working out. I always get really hungry. A lot of the day, at least like a couple times a day. I gotta be eating something. I mean, no, it's not good. But it's supposed to be like, you know, I guess working on eating healthy or something. So that is definitely my cat. He has the right idea of what to do right now. I am exhausted. I was trying to finish the workout and I just could not. I started feeling really sick, actually. So, probably just something I ate at dinner, but, you know. Oh well, I get to relax now, before I go to bed. You will see what I mean by that in just a second.